Oh, hi! Welcome to my studio. My name is Patrick, and I'm the founder of PJCP. Today we are talking about Thanksgiving and how to simplify it, obviously. We're back together this year with all of our friends and family that we haven't seen in up to 2 years now, and I think that this Thanksgiving needs to be about seeing them, not about slaving over a hot stove for hours. We want you to not stress. Now, we've gone to the extreme today to prove this example. When I was in my 20s and I moved to New York, and I would go home for holidays or big meals, over the course of my 20s and 30s, we really said, hey, we don't need to spend a whole day cooking. Why don't we order Chinese food and just set a pretty table? And it became this really fun tradition of what can we use that we already have and what delicious thing haven't we ordered in a while. So, I'm still an event planner. I love to set a table. So using things you already have, we talk about that all the time, the high and the low. Today we are using, your grandmother's china, some really lovely gold flatware, some nice crystal. I'm sure you have some vases laying around and you can pick up some flowers and arrange them from your local grocery store. The high-low comes in here with the food, obviously. You can get any of your favorite fast foods. You might have a favorite restaurant in town that could deliver. And if you're still not sure, Thanksgiving morning, we all have a smartphone. Just go on, you're like, beep, boop, beep, boop, beep. I think I want pizza. And then like 1 minute later, pizza's at your door, and you just put it on the table for Thanksgiving. It's all about the pictures at the end, right? You're all gonna Instagram all of your Thanksgiving place settings, and no one will know how the food tastes in the picture, so the place setting might as well look gorgeous. So we love the idea of fancy plates and simple food. Have a great Thanksgiving.